Ugly house? Don't panic. With the right strategy, it can absolutely shine and sell for top dollar. Buyers don't always need perfect. What they respond to is potential. A good layout, strong natural light, solid structure, and a desirable location matter more than older finishes. The features that cannot be easily changed are what buyers weigh most. Everything else is cosmetic, and cosmetic can be strategically addressed. Preparation is where the transformation happens. This is the step that changes how buyers feel the moment they walk in. They need to see the potential. According to a recent nationwide staging report, many agents saw a 10% increase in a sales price from staging alone. And almost half of these agents reported reduced days on market when homes were prepared thoughtfully. A general home prep guideline is to remove at least 50% of what is currently in the home. Declutter deeply. The goal is open space, not filled space. Keep only the essentials. In a dining room, that may just mean the table and a couple chairs. In a family room, one sofa and a coffee table. Streamline seating, arrangement instead of several pieces. In the bedrooms, one bed, a nightstand, maybe a table lamp. Minimal, simple, clean. We're creating visual breathing rooms so buyers can see space, potential, and function. Remove dated curtains and heavy valances completely to allow natural light to flood the home, light cells, as well as neutral paint. Fresh neutral colors brighten rooms and help spaces read clean and move-in ready, both in person and online with photos. Present floors in their best condition. Replace worn carpet or in the minimum have it professionally cleaned. A clean home signals care and reduced buyer hesitation. Clear the countertops and surfaces completely. Edit every room down. If the choice is between keeping family photos and mismatched art or nothing on the walls, choose nothing. Blank or minimal walls create calm and make it easier for buyers to imagine their own style and their own future updates. Small, modern upgrades make a major impression. Updated light fixtures, new hardware and cabinetry, and thoughtful staging can shift how a home is perceived without renovation. We're not trying to hide age. We're positioning the home as a value opportunity with a clear path for improvement. Address basic maintenance before listing. Tighten loose hinges, replace burned out light bulbs, touch up paint, fix leaky faucets, and sticking doors. These small details collectively give buyers confidence and reduce objections that can come up later during an inspection or negotiations. Ugly is temporary, but opportunity is real. A home that is not picture perfect today can still stand out when prepared, simplified, and marketed with intention. When a home is bright, neutral, and easy to visualize living in, buyers respond differently. They stop seeing flaws and start seeing potential and possibility. Let's make sure buyers can see the potential of what a home really can become.